Good morning. Hello. Happy Friday. Yay, it's Friday. Friday is always my favorite day of the week. Do you have a favorite day of the week? What is it? Mine is Friday. Are you ready for our good morning song? All right. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Awesome job. You guys are getting so good at that song. Yesterday, we talked about this letter, M, for mask. Letter M. What comes next? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N is next. N for nest. N. Good job. Uppercase N is a stick down, up. When we make this down line, it is a little bit tricky because it goes down to the side. So it takes a little bit of practice. Down, to the side, up. Lowercase n is a stick down and a bump. Stick down and a bump. Awesome. Uppercase letter N is tall. Lowercase letter n is small. They both make the N sound for nest. Another thing that begins with letter N is noodle. I made some noodle art. And I will show you how you can make noodle art with colorful noodles at the end of this video. So be sure you watch all the way to the end, okay? Because that's where our noodle art is. I'll leave you directions for it too, so you can make colorful noodles at your house. And if you make noodle art, I want to see it. Be sure that you send me pictures of your noodle art that you make at home. Okay? Awesome. Let's go ahead and do our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. En español? ¿Sí? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bien. Good job. Your Spanish is getting to be fantastic. Let's see what other N words are on our list today. Here's letter N. We have no, net, nest, noodle, next, like it is your turn, next, nut, narwhal, nachos, nails. They could be the nails on your fingers or toes, or it could be nails that you use with a hammer to fix things. Those are both nails. Night, number, and nose. Your nose. That starts with N. Nose. Good job. Well, I promised you that we would do some noodle art. Would you like to go and see? All right. Oh, let's go. Now that we have learned all about letter N, we are going to make some colored noodles to make noodle art. Noodle begins with N. I have a macaroni noodle like you eat with macaroni and cheese. I have a spaghetti noodle. These are long, skinny noodles. And I have ramen noodles. These are kind of wavy. Pretty neat. These are used to make soup. To make colored noodles, we need noodles. We need something called rubbing alcohol, which can be used to clean things or help if you get hurt and you have an owie that needs to be cleaned. And we're going to use food coloring. I put a little bit of each type of noodle into this container. This is an old yogurt container. You could use an old container or Tupperware or a plastic bag. I don't like to use plastic bags, so we're going to use this container. First thing we're going to do is we are going to measure 1 teaspoon of alcohol into the noodles. Next, we're going to add a color. We're going to use blue first. We want to use a lot of drops of blue so that it gets all over the different types of noodles. The more color you use, the brighter your noodles will be when they dry. After we let our noodles dry for a little while, we are going to make some art with them. I'm really excited to see how these noodles are when they're dry. I think they're gonna look awesome. Okay, next we want to put on the lid. We don't want that color getting out. We need to roll it all around. Give it some shakes. We want that color to be all over our noodles. The blue is everywhere. Ooh, it is. It doesn't go on the wavy ramen noodles as well as it gets on the other noodles. There's a lot of little cracks and spots for those, the dye to get on the ramen noodles, but it's got some color on it. Maybe a little bit more shaken. Ooh. Okay, we need to let our noodles dry before we can make art with them. I'm going to dump them onto this paper plate. Try to get them all out of there. There's some spaghetti noodles stuck to the side in there. Food coloring can be very messy and it will stain whatever it gets on. So if you are going to be using food coloring, it's really important that you get a grown-up's help for that job. I just want to try to spread out our noodles so that they can get nice and dry. Okay. We have some purple and green to make next. Ready? Let's do it. noodles are all dry. Now I have some paper here because we are going to make some noodle art. I have my glue, just regular glue like you probably use at home. I'm going to put it on my paper. Now you can decide to make shapes with your noodles, or you could make patterns. You could make whatever you want. I just like to kind of make my art crazy. Choose whatever color noodles you want. These ramen crumply noodles, they did not get color all over, but they look kind of neat. They kind of look like tie-dye. I have never used those before. That was new for me. A new kind of noodle for letter N. Some of the noodles get a little bit stuck together. That's okay. That just makes kind of a thick line. You can break them. You don't need to cut them. You can break them to make smaller pieces, or you can leave them big, however you like. The purple macaroni noodles look so dark. Add blue and green. You can make shapes with your noodles. You can make different colors to do patterns, or maybe the colors of your bedroom. You could hang it on your wall. You can make shapes, you could make flowers, you could make a house, you could make a race car. Anything you wanted. I bet you could even make people out of noodles. Noodle people, that'd be so fun. You can make some noodle art and send it to somebody you love in the mail. With a little note. Note begins with N also. A noodle note. Special delivery. Noodle notes. I like when they're kind of small. Could also make lines. 1, 2. You could make noodles go across your lines. Purple, blue, green. Or you could make your noodles stay on the lines. You can break them, make them a little bit smaller. You can make art however you want. There is no right way, there is no wrong way. Art is all about being creative and having fun. And I think art turns out beautiful no matter what you make. I hope you enjoyed your noodle art as much as I did. If you decide to make noodle art at your house, I will leave the directions down below. And of course, let me know if you make noodle art, because I would love to see how yours turns out. I hope you guys had fun today learning about letter N. And I really hope you enjoyed those colorful noodles. Like I said, if you make colorful noodles, let me know, okay? Are you ready for our goodbye song? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'm glad you played with us. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'm glad you played with us. Goodbye. See you next time.